Hello students. So today we are going to learn about hormones. So before that we will revise the things that we have discussed in our previous session. So in our previous session we have learned about changes at the puberty. So just revise with me. Changes at puberty means the increase in height. Body change means the shape of body change. Okay. Or else we can say it as change in a body shape, voice change, development of sex organs, reaching mental and intellectual and emotional maturity, development of secondary sexual character, and increased activity of sweat and the sebaceous glands. Okay, these things we have learned in our previous session. So what is hormones? Okay, so in previous session we have discussed that increased activity of sebaceous and the sweat gland. Okay, so what is gland? Glands are nothing but an organ, okay, which are present in our body. So look at this definition of a hormones. Hormones are the chemical substance which released by this gland. So the change which occur at the adolescence are controlled by the chemical substances which we called it as hormones. So hormones are nothing but the secretions which occurred from the glands. Okay, hormones are chemical substances. So when the body alarming that the period of adolescence has to be initiated, that time the body secretes some secretions like increase the activity of sebaceous and the sweat gland. So sebaceous gland is also an organ which releases sebaceous means the oil, which produces oil. That's why that gland is oil producing gland. That organ produces oil and they secrete out at the target site, means on our face. Okay, so that oil when comes on our face, that the boy or a girl who is now in the puberty phase, they will get the acne or the pimples on their face. Okay, somewhat that other thing is sweat gland. What is sweat gland? The sweat producing glands. That glands produces sweat, okay, on the target side. So this gland means the nothing but the organ which produces or which produce the chemical substances, or we called it as secretions at the, and they secrete it out at the target site. Okay, so what is hormone? The change which occur at adolescence means when this phase of puberty arrives in our body, our brain gives the alarming signal to all the body parts. So they will get that signal, means the body part gets that signal. The glands or the organs which produces such kind of hormone, they will also get the signal which from the brain. Okay, and according to that they will produces the chemical substances. Okay, so the change which occurs at adolescence, the increase in height, then the voice change, then the change in a body shape, then all secondary sexual character like mammary glands will develop in a girls. Okay, so such kind of changes happens in a body is due to hormones. So from where hormones are secreted? So hormones are the secretions from the endocrine glands. So like other system, means the respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, such like systems are working in our body. Okay, respiratory system has their fixed function that they have to perform the respiration, means they have to use their nose to take a breath, take a oxygen inside, then they have a lungs that will filter out this oxygen. Okay, then they pump out this oxygen to the different body parts. So many functions like circulatory system, they run blood on all across our body. So such like functions are fixed to that particular system. Digestive system will digest our food. Okay, so duties are given by the brain that this system has to perform these functions. Okay, so these hormones are secreted from the endocrine gland. Yes, in our body we have an endocrine system, and by that endocrine system there will be 8 glands: pituitary, such like pineal glands, then thyroid glands. All these glands are located to their different uh, site. Okay, so this endocrine system connected with this all kinds of glands. Okay, so when our brain gives signal to this endocrine system that now you have to take a charge, so they will take a charge, and according to that they will secrete it out the different hormones. Okay, so this all things perform, or all for this our brain gives a signal, and according to that they have to perform their function. So endocrine gland is also coming in this system, means is endocrine system is made up of endocrine glands that secrete hormones. Okay, so in boys, when they alarming the puberty, or they when they alarming the adolescent phase, the testes begin to release male hormone, and that male hormone is known as testosterone, and this causes hair growth. Okay, then testes get mature, they will form a sperm, that is the male reproductive gamete they will form. Okay, so the production of this hormone is under control of this endocrine glands. Getting? Then in case of girls, when they onset the puberty, the ovaries, okay, ovaries, where the ovaries located in the reproductive organ. Okay, so these ovaries begin to produce the female hormone known as estrogen. In boy it's testosterone, and in girls it is estrogen, which makes the breast development. Okay, we are mammals. Yes, we have discussed we are a mammal, so we have a mammary glands, and that mammary glands is also under control of this brain. So this mammary gland is secreted what? Milk. Getting? So this mammary gland develop inside the breast. So milk secreting glands, or the mammary glands, develop inside the breast. So this is one gland which secrete milk. Okay, so these glands have the capacity to secrete out something, to secrete out a chemical substance, and that has to be passed on the target site. Getting? So the production of this hormone is under control of another hormone in an endocrine gland is called as pituitary gland. Okay, so there is the combination of a two glands. So pituitary gland, which is present underneath the brain and behind the bridge of a nose, and they will produce such kind of sex hormones in our body. Okay, so the production of this kind of sex hormones, or the hormones, in boys it is testosterone, and in girls it is estrogen, and that is under control of another hormone in endocrine gland. It's called as pituitary gland. Getting? So hormone is nothing but a chemical substance. When body alarming the adolescent phase, it has to be secreted from that related glands, which is pituitary, which is come under the endocrine gland. So endocrine system is made up of endocrine gland, and this pituitary gland is comes under this endocrine gland. Getting? Okay, we'll move to the next slide. So role of hormones in initiating reproduction function. So there are many endocrine glands, and one more thing, endocrine glands are ductless gland. They don't have the pipelines, or they don't have any breach. Okay, so that they just produces the hormones or the chemical substances, and they directly pour that substances into our bloodstream. Okay, so there are many endocrine glands or a ductless gland in the body. Duct means any pipeline or anything. The testes and the ovaries secrete sex hormones. In male, it's testosterone, and in a female it's estrogen. These sex hormones are under control of hormones from the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secrete many hormones, one of which make ova to mature, means egg to mature in the ovaries, and sperms form in the testes. Getting okay? So adolescence phase and the puberty is controlled by the hormones only. Next is hormones from a pituitary stimulate testes and ovaries to release testosterone in a male and estrogen in a female. These hormones are, these secretions means this gland is ductless. So this directly pours into the blood stream and they reach part of the side, because blood or the circulatory system has a connection to different body parts. So when these secretions comes into the bloodstream, so through the blood these hormones reach to the target site and they stimulate the changes in the body at onset of puberty. Getting? So hormones are the chemical substance which produced by the glands. The sex hormones are produced by the pituitary gland. It has a control of a brain or the endocrine system, okay, and these hormones entered into the bloodstream because endocrine glands are ductless. So when they will comes in a bloodstream, through that blood stream or the connection of a blood, they reach to the different parts of the body. So they will reach to the target site and they stimulate the changes in a body at onset of puberty. Okay. Then reproductive phase of a life in humans. Okay. So the next session is of reproductive phase of a life in a humans. Up to that, just revise the hormones part. We will take this session. Okay. I hope you understood what is hormone, how they will produce, how they will affect your adolescent phase. Okay, up to that, bye bye, thank you.